So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. The stylist cuts off the 2 braids. Oh, looks like she got some color with this one. Absolutely stunning bob makeover, simple and chic. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone else who decided to switch things up with a bob. Gorgeous. Now this bob ends just below the shoulders. And then we have someone who decided to go much shorter with a pixie haircut. This pixie features a lot of volume in it. Very nice. I also like the face framing bangs. And then we move on to another hot hair idea, and that includes the butterfly haircut. So as you guys already know, if you follow this channel, this hair trend allows for your hair to showcase more of a volumized appearance. Very nice. And she did get the curtain bangs to frame out the face. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. This one is going to feature pink split dyed hair. We saw a lot of the split dye trend last season, and it seems to be continuing to grow in popularity. Oh, she's got the face framing bangs. Very cute. So then we see someone who decided to switch it up with a Charlotte haircut. She's got a nice bold pink color going here as well. And then we have a purple shaggy cut transformation. Very cool. I really like the color combination of this with the black and the purple. And she can, of course, wear her hair curly or straight. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.